How to change date format in Excel. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So here we can see two dates available. Suppose one of your cells shows this number right here and you want it like this. Here's how you can do it. So you can select up the date cells first of all, and you can right click on it and select the option for format cells, this one right here. After that, you can go to the date tab, this one right here, and you can choose a format. So we have a bunch of formats available. You can select the one that you prefer and click on the option called OK. And when you do, it should change the format directly. Apart from that, we can use custom format. So select up the cell. After that, you can press Ctrl+1 and that should open up a pop-up. You can go to the custom section here, and from the custom section here you can choose a format. So we have different formats. You can select the format that you prefer and click on OK and confirm it up, and it should make the changes. If you want to format a date in another cell, what we can do is we can type in is equal to and text. After that, you can select up your cell. Once it is done, you can type in comma and then you format. In what format would you like it? For example, something like this. You can just go over and type it in, close the bracket, and hit enter, and it will give you exactly what you are looking for. If formatting does not change anything, your date might actually be text. You can fix it by selecting up the column, and you can go to the data tab in the top. After that, you can select the option of text to columns. Here, just go over and select it. After that, confirm it up, and that should do it. So that's it, everybody. You can follow this method for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.